Finding the perfect watch isn't easy, especially when you want the precision of quartz, the convenience of solar charging, and the versatility of a chronograph all in one package. That's exactly what today's list is all about. We've rounded up the 10 best solar chronograph watches to buy in 2026, featuring everything from budget-friendly daily wear options to high-performance timepieces packed with advanced technology for travelers, professionals, and watch enthusiasts alike. Each watch delivers dependable accuracy, long-lasting reliability, and outstanding value. Be sure to watch until the end, because our number one pick stands above the rest with a combination of innovation, craftsmanship, and performance that's hard to beat. Let's get started. Number 10, the Seiko PROSPEX SPEEDTIMER is a modern chronograph that pays tribute to Seiko's legendary motorsport heritage while incorporating advanced solar power technology and everyday practicality. Designed with a sporty stainless steel case, the watch features a highly legible dial with contrasting chronograph subdials that make timing functions easy to read during both daily use and sporting activities. Its solar-powered movement converts natural and artificial light into energy, eliminating the need for routine battery replacements while delivering dependable long-term accuracy. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the dial, while the tachymeter bezel enhances both functionality and racing-inspired aesthetics. Bright Lumi-Bright hands and hour markers provide outstanding visibility in low-light environments, and the comfortable bracelet ensures all-day wearability. Strong water resistance allows the watch to handle swimming and outdoor adventures with confidence. Combining precision timing functions, durable construction, advanced solar technology, and timeless design, the Seiko PROSPEX SPEEDTIMER stands out as one of the finest sports chronographs in its class, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts who value both performance and style. Number 9, the Citizen ProMaster SKYWALKER Drive is a feature-rich aviation watch engineered for pilots, travelers, and adventure enthusiasts who demand precision and reliability. Powered by Citizen's renowned EcoDrive technology, the watch converts any light source into energy, allowing it to operate for extended periods without battery replacement. Its detailed dial incorporates multiple aviation functions, including world time, chronograph capabilities, perpetual calendar, and additional flight-oriented features that enhance its practicality during travel. A durable stainless steel case and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal provide excellent protection against everyday wear, while luminous hands and markers ensure outstanding readability in low-light conditions. Excellent water resistance and rugged construction allow the watch to perform reliably in challenging environments. Radio-controlled or satellite synchronization on selected models further enhances timekeeping accuracy wherever compatible signals are available. Number 8, the Casio Edifice EQS 940 is a stylish solar-powered chronograph designed to blend motorsport-inspired aesthetics with dependable everyday performance. Featuring a bold stainless steel case and a detailed multi-layer dial, the watch offers a sophisticated appearance that works equally well with business attire and casual clothing. Its tough solar movement continuously charges from natural and artificial light, reducing maintenance while delivering reliable accuracy throughout years of ownership. The chronograph function allows precise measurement of elapsed time, while the date display and luminous hands improve everyday convenience. A durable mineral crystal protects the dial from scratches and daily impacts, and the comfortable stainless steel bracelet enhances long-term wearability. Strong water resistance allows the watch to handle everyday activities and recreational water exposure with confidence. Premium finishing, dependable quartz precision, and sporty styling make the EQS 940 an outstanding value for enthusiasts seeking a practical solar chronograph. Combining modern technology, refined design, and reliable performance, the Casio Edifice EQS 940 delivers exceptional functionality at an attractive price. Number 7, the Citizen BRYCEN EcoDrive is a rugged everyday sports watch designed to deliver dependable performance, modern styling, and the convenience of maintenance-free solar power. Equipped with Citizen's EcoDrive movement, it converts both natural and artificial light into energy, eliminating routine battery replacements while providing highly accurate timekeeping. The robust stainless steel case is paired with a bold, easy-to-read dial featuring luminous hands and hour markers that ensure excellent visibility during both daytime and nighttime use. Scratch-resistant crystal protects the dial from everyday wear, while strong water resistance allows the watch to accompany outdoor adventures, travel, and recreational water activities. The chronograph function and date display enhance daily practicality, making the watch suitable for work, sports, and casual occasions alike. Comfortable strap and bracelet options provide flexibility for different personal styles, combining reliable solar technology, rugged durability, versatile functionality, and attractive styling. The Citizen BRYCEN EcoDrive offers outstanding value as an everyday. Number 6. The TISSOT T-Touch Connect successfully combines Swiss watchmaking craftsmanship with modern smartwatch functionality, creating a premium hybrid timepiece for active lifestyles. Powered by advanced solar-assisted technology, the watch delivers impressive battery life while reducing dependence on frequent charging. Its touchscreen sapphire crystal provides quick access to fitness tracking, activity monitoring, notifications, weather updates, navigation assistance, and other connected features, without sacrificing the appearance of a traditional luxury watch. The lightweight titanium case offers exceptional durability and wearing comfort, making it suitable for outdoor adventures as well as everyday use. Excellent water resistance, robust construction, and premium finishing ensure dependable performance across a variety of environments. Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless synchronization with smartphones while preserving user privacy through efficient data management. Combining Swiss engineering, intelligent connectivity, solar-powered efficiency, and premium materials, the TISSOT T-Touch Connect offers an outstanding balance between traditional craftsmanship and modern wearable technology. Number 5. The Casio OCEANUS OCW S700 is a premium Japanese luxury watch that combines elegant design with some of Casio's most advanced electronic timekeeping technologies. Constructed from lightweight titanium, the watch provides exceptional comfort while maintaining impressive durability for everyday wear. Its tough solar movement continuously charges using natural and artificial light, while multiband radio synchronization and Bluetooth connectivity automatically maintain highly accurate timekeeping whenever compatible signals are available. A sapphire crystal with advanced anti-reflective coating protects the beautifully finished dial while maximizing visibility in bright lighting conditions. World time functionality, perpetual calendar, and precision quartz accuracy make the watch especially practical for international travelers. Carefully polished surfaces, slim proportions, and refined bracelet design create a sophisticated appearance suitable for both formal and casual settings. Combining advanced technology, lightweight construction, luxurious finishing, and exceptional precision, the Casio OCEANUS OCW. Number 4. The Citizen ATTESA Act Line EcoDrive is a sophisticated luxury sports watch that showcases Citizen's expertise in advanced materials, precision engineering, and solar-powered technology. Crafted from super titanium, the case offers exceptional strength, lightweight comfort, and superior scratch resistance compared to conventional stainless steel. EcoDrive technology powers the watch using any available light source, providing years of reliable operation without battery replacement. Many models feature satellite or radio-controlled time synchronization, ensuring remarkable accuracy during international travel. Sapphire crystal protects the detailed dial, while luminous hands and applied markers maintain excellent readability under varying lighting conditions. World time, perpetual calendar, and chronograph functions further enhance everyday practicality. Elegant finishing and modern integrated styling allow the watch to transition effortlessly between professional settings and outdoor activities. Combining innovative materials, cutting-edge technology, refined craftsmanship, and dependable performance, the Citizen ATTESA Act Line EcoDrive stands among Citizen's most impressive luxury sports watches. Number 3. The Seiko ASTRON GPS Solar is an innovative luxury watch that revolutionized timekeeping by becoming the world's first GPS solar-powered wristwatch. Using GPS satellite signals, the watch automatically identifies its location and adjusts to the correct time zone almost anywhere in the world, making it an exceptional companion for international travelers. Its solar-powered movement continuously converts light into energy, eliminating the inconvenience of routine battery changes while maintaining highly accurate operation. The premium titanium case offers outstanding durability with lightweight comfort, while the sapphire crystal provides superior scratch resistance and exceptional dial clarity. Multiple world time functions, perpetual calendar, daylight saving adjustment, and power reserve indicators contribute to remarkable everyday practicality. Elegant finishing and refined craftsmanship reflect Seiko's commitment to both advanced technology and timeless design. Combining satellite control precision, solar-powered convenience, premium materials, and sophisticated engineering, the Seiko ASTRON GPS Solar remains one of the most technologically advanced travel watches available. Number 2. The Citizen Satellite Wave GPS F950 Eco Drive is one of Citizen's most technologically advanced watches, designed for travelers who require exceptional accuracy and global timekeeping capabilities. Powered entirely by Eco Drive solar technology, the watch converts light into energy, allowing years of dependable performance without battery replacement. Its GPS satellite synchronization rapidly adjusts the time and local time zone almost anywhere in the world, making international travel effortless. The lightweight super titanium case provides exceptional durability while remaining highly comfortable for extended wear. Sapphire crystal protects the sophisticated multifunction dial, while luminous hands ensure excellent readability in all lighting conditions. Additional features such as perpetual calendar, chronograph, world time, daylight saving adjustment, and high-speed satellite reception enhance the watch's versatility. Precision engineering and premium finishing elevate both appearance and performance. Combining satellite technology, advanced solar power, lightweight construction, and exceptional reliability, the Citizen Satellite Wave GPS F950 Eco Drive represents the pinnacle of Citizen's innovative watchmaking. Number 1. The Omega SPEEDMASTER SKYWALKER X33 is a professional-grade pilot and astronaut watch developed in collaboration with space professionals to meet the demanding requirements of aviation and space missions. Constructed from lightweight titanium, the watch delivers exceptional durability while remaining comfortable during extended wear. Its highly accurate thermocompensated quartz movement powers a hybrid analog-digital display that provides numerous advanced functions, including multiple time zones, chronograph, countdown timer, mission elapsed time, alarms, perpetual calendar, and specialized aviation features. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the display while ensuring excellent readability under bright sunlight and challenging operational conditions. Large luminous hands and digital illumination maintain outstanding visibility in darkness, while intuitive controls allow quick access to essential functions. Excellent water resistance and rugged engineering ensure dependable operation in demanding environments. Combining aerospace-inspired technology, exceptional precision, lightweight titanium construction, and professional functionality,